Good morning, friends, fellow traders, my students, all my subscribers. I greet you all. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha, teaching you from the land of the rising sun. If this is the first time you are watching my video, like, share, and subscribe. Then I want to let you know that I analyze markets, be it forex, cryptos, indices, commodities, whatever that is tradable, using an advanced method of Elliott Wave theory or strategy. You can subscribe and share my video, share with your friends. Then at the bio of this video, you will see links to join, links to my Telegram channel, two of them. Then I also run mentorship program. If you want to learn what I do, if you like the way I trade and analyze, I'll teach you. If you've done my mentorship program, I don't charge much. I don't charge you monthly. I only charge you $500 once and for all. Whether it takes you 2 years to learn, 1 year, 6 months, all you need to do is to pay once. Why do I do that? I know some people don't have time to learn every day. Some do have time so that I want to accommodate everybody, whether you have time or you don't have time. You just pay the same amount. Okay, remember this is for a purpose, not a recommendation for buy and sell. Buying and trading, the market has some risk. So you lose some, you gain some, but if you are careful and have the knowledge, you make much more profit than you lose. Okay, before I proceed, I want you to learn something from me today, free of charge. If you are a swing trader like me, you must not trade every day. There are sometimes you don't find a good trade. You just keep calm. This past week, was so difficult to find a trade. So hopefully, the coming week, that we market open on Sunday night, that will be a lot of trade to take. So let's dive into the game. So this is DXY. You can see what we are expecting it to go down towards 98, 96, or 95. And the going down have started to drop. 105, 103 is the least we expect. What I saw say, if say the market want to abandon this structure, because sometimes the market can abandon a structure that you must be watching the structure to trade it. The market may abandon it. So this is A, B, C, a big one. The market can abandon it and keep going up. So if that will happen, it means that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we get A, B, C. Then the market will go up. So in any case, we are selling. No need to buy DSY right now. So let me go to 1 hour. I'll be showing you much of 1 hour time chart because last week is still almost the same with this week. So nothing to not affect much. So you can see we have the first impulse here. That's wave 1. This is A, B, C. So it's about to complete. So if it really completes, if it truncates, it means below this place, you can now sell. But if it comes to this place, you sell from this place, stop loss will be here. Okay, so that's for DSY. USD card. USD card is making some magic. So the chart is somehow complex. Nevertheless, we're gonna get set up around here. But to be on the safe side, if you are a conservative trader, allow you to break this place before you sell. But if you can sell from here, if you can find the setup from here, the stop loss will be here. You make more profit, but the risk is more because it can do this and go up here and stop loss before going down. So if you don't have the scale to find it here, allow you to break this zone, you can now sell. Okay, that's for DSY. USD chef. USD chef almost confirmed the sell. Okay, USD chef made what we call leading diagonal. This is what they call it leading diagonal. It will always look like a correction, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, A, B, C. So a sell can occur. We may not get this again. Market can open, it will drop. Once it breaks this channel, then you can now sell. But if it comes to this place, you say for this place, stop loss will be here. Okay, so that's for USD chef. USD. So USD. I'm looking for buy. Obviously, this is wave 1. No matter how you see it. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, 4, wave 5. Okay, so A, B, C. We have touched our reversal zone, though it may still go lower to it, but here is our stop loss. So it is buying and nothing more. So if you have a sell order, you better close it and look for buy. Pounds USD, same thing. I'm looking for buy of pounds USD, and for the look of things, pounds USD we buy faster than USD. We're going to drop further a little more, then the buy we start. Remember, the buy we go very, very far. Let me show you daily again. The buy will go very, very far. So this is what we expect, a move towards 1.4, or at least 1.35, 1.4, or even higher. So prepare to make money that you pay your bills, pay your school children, or even buy you a car, depending on your capital. Okay, so let's go back to 1 hour. Let's go back to 1 hour time frame. So let's go to AUD USD. AUD USD, I'm also looking for buy. I'm also looking for buy because of the way it behaved here. It have reached our reversal zone, but the possibility of going lower is there. So in that case, to be on the safe side, allow me to break this place, then you buy. Using the USD, the same pattern, they're making the same pattern. You can see expanding flat here. So for that, we may get another move down, or even another move down. In any case, when the market come up again to break this B level, then it's time to buy. JPT25, let me JPY basket. So I'm looking, I use it to analyze. Trading yen pace is somehow difficult this time around. Trading yen pace is somehow difficult. Why is it difficult? These charts look like WXY. Then another possibility, it can be with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, with 5. Leading diagonal, then A, B, C, then continue by. So now, right now, JPY, yen pace have to continue to sell, but they will make a move up. So showing you this is that possibility of it going up to this place. Once it come up to this place, it will still sell again. And while it is selling, yen pace will be buying. So let me go back to where we were. JPY, the possibility of it going, this is one of the possibilities we have. The pair will likely come to this place before it will sell again, because it looks like an A, B, C. So if this is A, B, C, it means we are having 3 waves up again. In that case, we will see the charts come to this zone a little lower than the place I placed it. So then when are we going to confirm this buy? To confirm this buy, allow me to break this zone. Meanwhile, not the most it must buy. It can just correct, it can make a correction, it can make a correction, something like this, and continue selling without going to this high. Meanwhile, for now, the buy will be above here. Once it begins to move in your direction, you move yourself to break even. So that's the wise way to trade. When market seems complex, like yen pace this time around. USDJPY, this is the one that looks more impulsive than or more rich than others. So we will not even get it to go down from here. So we have 2 possibilities. One, this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is what we call leading diagonal, or with A, then A, B, C. With B, then with C, we drop before buying. Or it may just be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 before it will sell. So whichever way, if you cannot handle the complex situation, then you look for that place to trade. JPT25, pounds JPY. Pounds JPY, I already bought this yesterday and I didn't close it. Okay, so I'm looking for A, B, C. So this is what I'm looking for. It may not, it may go in my favor, it may not. But once I'm in profit, once the market goes back above this place, I bought it here. It did this. If it goes back, I guess, up again, I moved up to break even. And what will happen? Meanwhile, this looks impulsive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. To me, it's wave A. Then A, B, C, wave B. So another wave C will go up. That's why I want to buy it. After that, it begins to sell. Let's go to gold. Those who join my Telegram channel, I explained that gold have changed direction. You know, let me show you daily. On gold, we have been waiting for gold to give us a deep correction. When see what we are expecting. This wave A, B, C, wave B, somewhere here to get this before buying. It didn't do that. So that's why I said earlier that the market can abandon a structure that you are expecting and do something else. So gold has broken this high. What does that mean? That gold will continue to go higher for now. A bigger correction is coming, but not now. So that's one of the reasons I said you should join our Telegram channel, because I always update people on things like this. Okay, so for gold, let me go to 1 hour direct. For gold, I just count from here 1, 2, 3, 4. So after we're 5, I will now sell gold, because after that we may get a reasonable sell before buying again. Meanwhile, this wave 4 might do something like this, before getting wave 5. So have that in mind. Okay, you see what happened here. This kind of move can happen. You see it again. It can happen like that. It can just go up. But bear in mind, we may get this before we get this. Okay, that's for gold. Silver and gold seem to disagree this time around. They did not seem to disagree. So because now, when you go to 4-hour time frame on silver, you will see that silver looks corrective. I mean, this move, the speaker of wave A, then this is like wave B. So, and what happened is that if we will get this deep move on silver to complete this ABC, we are looking at, it means that gold will also go very deep. I mean, very, very deep. So if we get this on silver, then gold will go very deep. Secondly, this may abandon this correction and give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me go to 1 hour to explain further. I'll give you a kind of lesson. So now, it may abandon that correction and give us this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can make just A, B, C and begin to go up. Or it can make A, B, C, W, A, B, C, X, A, B, C, Y. Then it means that this is wave 1, this is wave, yes, this is wave 1, then this is wave 2, then it's going to go up again. So just take your time and monitor it. If you cannot handle this situation, look for easier place to trade. This one, okay, last week or 2 weeks ago, after the breaking of this channel, I said it will test it before going up. It have done exactly as I forecasted. So now, what next is to buy when we get correction. We now buy. Okay. Whenever you trade any pair, once the market comes to profits, make sure you take some profit, move to break even. Because markets can come back any time and do whatever you don't expect. So oil, I didn't sell oil. Oil is one of my favorite trades, but I missed to sell oil around here. Once I miss a trade, I will leave it, because you can try to sell it from here. It will do this and do this. Then you lose unnecessarily. So I like to trade at a good price, at a good place, at a good zone. So now I'm telling oil to give me something like this. Then I will sell. I still see oil as selling. So let me put my FIBO. Let me put FIBO to know what to expect. Okay, so oil oil, expect oil to at least give us a move towards this place, 77, 76, 77, or even 78. But this is where I'm looking at. This is where I'm looking at on oil. Okay, if I get it here, I will happily sell oil because to me, oil is still selling. Go back to my 1 hour. So let's continue. US 100, NASDAQ, US 100. Two things is involved. One is that we may continue. You see what happened here. This place, it may happen again. If it doesn't happen, it may give us a correction, break this place, go down before buying again. So watch out what happens here. That's for US 100, that's like 100. SP 500 is stronger in going up than NASDAQ. So right now, it didn't come to our adversary zone, but it's attempted to come to that. So this is what I'm expecting to happen. Correction here, a move down to give us A, B, C. Then another move up. Remember, we are expecting a big correction, which will definitely happen one day. Okay? We are expecting a very big correction, which will definitely happen one day. Let me put a trend line. Once this line is broken, look out for a very big correction. So this is what I'm looking at. This is my interest, in fact, to trade this. Okay, I'll be trading the two ones, but once this is confirmed, a huge money is going to be made for those who will catch it. And for you to catch it, you join my Telegram channel. Sometimes free one, I share credits of free one. But if you are on my VIP channel, you will always make money. Imagine paying $500 to join the class, and in next 2 or 3 weeks, you made $3,000 from here. So what did you lose? You get everything, but people don't like to spend the money to learn, which is not a good idea, because the money you lose trading without knowledge, you are losing your money. And I don't know why you should continue doing that. So it's there for you to make a decision to join the class, get the knowledge, and help yourself. You start one of my favorite trades. Okay, so I'm also looking for it to drop this zone before buying it again, or maybe give us a flat, a big correction flat. So, but now let's focus on the one that is easily obtainable. Okay, so let's continue. Down. Okay, DAX. DAX is very strong, very strong, except more buy on DAX. After we get a little, correction, maybe towards this trend line, it will buy again before the big correction comes. Okay, one time, all these pairs will give us big correction we're expecting, but you need to be scared. You need to know how to spot it before you can get them. They can deliver themselves to you. You have to spot it on so that you can get them. Now, same thing, look out for correction, another buy. Okay, so let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the next. I want to say Bitcoin. Let me show you 4 hours on Bitcoin. Or if you, okay, I will show you daily. This is the next Bitcoin move. This is the next move. 114 to 124 is where Bitcoin is going. So have it in mind. But the problem is, will you catch the move? How can you know when it will begin to move? That's the problem. And that's why you need to learn. Because if you don't learn, there's no way you will know what will happen in the market. When you have the knowledge of waves, that is when you will begin to enjoy trading. So let me go back to one. I want to tell you why I'm looking to sell Bitcoin. So to me, Bitcoin has made wave one. Those who know about Elliott Wave know that this is wave one. Then we get A, B, C, wave two. Then it will sell. Or this can be wave one, wave two. Then we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as wave three. Then A, B, C, wave four, wave five. So I'm looking for Bitcoin to give me this drop towards 97,000, 96,000, and 95,000. If I get it, I look for buy. Once I buy from here, then fast forward, it will lead us to 116,000, 116,000, 120,000 zone. That's where it will be. It will be a nice trade if it drops. But sometimes Bitcoin can be so volatile. What I mean, Bitcoin can change pattern. You can decide to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leading diagonal A, B, C, and begin to buy. So whichever way, all I know, this trade, I will not lose this trade. I know how to trade it. Then I will not lose it. Okay, even if it go against me, once it comes back to this place and break it, I will look for another buy. But I'll be glad to see it drop to this zone. That's where I'll make more profits. And that's what I would like to see. Meanwhile, market doesn't know what you want. It does what you want to do. No matter how skillful you are, how talented you are, how lucky you are, markets can always do what you don't expect. So, and that's the end of the analysis. Another Bitcoin, Ethereum. Ethereum, we also buy again, but Ethereum may not make a new high. Ethereum may not make a new high. So bear it in mind, or maybe it will. Let's hope it will. Let me check something. Let's hope it will make a new high. Pardon me. Yeah, Ethereum may give us a new high. Something like this. Then, as I used to say to people who care to know, bullish markets have completed 80% of its movement. Bullish market is almost over. Some people get angry when I say it. Some people believe that Bitcoin will go to 200,000 this year. Well, if it happens, fine. But I don't see it happening. Bitcoin and others have almost completed their bullish move. I keep saying it. If you like it, listen. If you don't like, begin to hope on nothing. I forecast based on what I see on the chart, not what they say in the media, because the media don't know what is happening. Okay, they don't know how to read the chart. They'll sit down there and decide what they want to sell. And people will be losing money following them. Yet people continue to follow them, but let them to pay them too much to learn. They will not. Anyway, it's their business. I focus on my own. If you want to learn, fine. If you don't want to learn, it's a business, not mine. Okay, repo, you can buy repo. Repo is a good trade. I can see now. This doesn't happen. I remove it. This is what I expect to happen now. So repo has given us a corrective. This is a good correction. A nice one. Worthy of trading. A nice one. So this is wave one. If we get wave two, a deeper wave two, then 3, 4, 5. Repo is another strong crypto we discovered this time around. You can buy repo, you can buy it, and watch out what will happen. The buy repo, watch out what will happen. And what again? Then if I buy a repo, stop loss will be here, just here. If you break this zone, then it means that the forecast analysis is invalid. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Remember to share and subscribe, make comments, join our Telegram channel. When you join, don't spam the channel. You can post your chat if you know how to analyze. Post your chat. People can comment and like, but don't advertise. Don't paste the links. Once you put any link, I will remove you. Thank you.